Friends, welcome to this second lecture on pi. In the last lecture, I have made two demonstrations here. One was to write value of pi up to 100 digits, and the second was to write the digits, some digits, then skip some digits, and then again start writing the digits. Naturally, how this was done, and I was going to tell you the method, the technique which is used to remember large sequences of digits. So today I am going to discuss about what is known as phonetic code. This is a code. Originally its idea came in 1648 by Stanley Venchain. He first used text or letters for numbers, or use text to convert numbers into text. Then that method was modified in 1730 by Dr. Richard Gray of England, and from that point there took some modifications in the method, and now we use this method in the final form. But basic idea was that of Stanley Venchain, and that was he first used that idea in 1648. So in phonetic code, what happens? We associate digits to letters. What is this association? First, I will list this association and then I will elaborate upon that. Let us start with 1. So I will write letters, numbers on this side or digit on this side. And what letter is used? Actually, that is a sound of that letter. So I will write here sound of. For 1, we use sound of T or D. Then for 2, we use N, sound of N. Why I am saying sound of N? That will be cleared later on, because it is a phonetic code, that pronunciation is important. So later on I will clear that point. For 3, we use sound of M. For 4, we use letter R or sound of letter R. Then for 5, we use L. Then I will go to the second column now. For 6, we will be using J or SH or sound of CH. So there are 3 choices for 6. Then for 7, we will be using K sound or G sound. Then for 8, we use F or V. For 9, we use P or B. And for 0, we will be using S or Z sound. So basically we have used say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 letters here. So remaining 8 letters, they are not used, vowels are not used, and vowels can be used to construct words. They can be used freely. The letters which are left over here, they can be used freely to form words. Now, how to remember this? I will give you some aid also, memory aid which we call it, so that you will be easily remembering this association. See now, this one, for one we use T. Now you can remember it in this way. When we write T, we have a one down stroke. For one, once we come down. Similarly, when we write D, we once come down. So there is one down stroke while writing T and T. When we write N, this is 1 and 2. Two down strokes are there in the letter N. When we write M, there are 3 down strokes, 1, 2 and 3. So we can very easily remember these things. T and D having 1 down stroke, N having 2 down strokes and M having 3 down strokes. Then 4, R is used for 4. In fact, last letter in this spelling is R. In the spelling of 4 is R. So R is used for 4. For 5 we use L. You can remember it in this way. In Roman numerals, L is used for 50. Just you may be knowing, you are knowing that for 10 we use X. Similarly, for 50 we use L. So this association will take you to this association. Second thing I will tell you about this L, how to remember. See, we have 5 fingers, and if I connect these 4 fingers and show you like this, then this will look like L. So 5 for L. That is another association, that is another memory aid. Then for 6 we use J. Now see, if I wrote J in the reverse direction like this, it will just look like 6. So J reversed will give you a say picture like 6. Then this 7, K is used. Now actually this is a combination of 2 7s. See, I will try to draw here. This is 1 7 and I will draw 7 in the reverse order. This is another 7. And if you now rotate this letter through 90 degrees, that will look like K. Or I will explain it another way also. Say this is 1 7 and then this is another 7 drawn in a different orientations. So 2 7s with a different orientations, reverse orientation, they give us the letter K. In this way we can remember that. Now this 8. If you write F in a cursive form, that looks like 8. Okay. And then about 9 or P or B. If you reverse this B, say this is B, take mirror image, say this is mirror, then its image will be like this. So it will look, and again you have to take the mirror image, taking this as a mirror. So shape of B is just like 9, take orientation changed. Or if you rotate this B through 180 degrees, then that will naturally become 9. Similarly about P, this is P. If I take this as a mirror, so what will be the image? No, I want to take this as a mirror. So mirror image of this will be like this. So it will look like 9. So these are very easy to remember this way. If you use these memory aids, you can very easily memorize all these letters and their association about association to digits. Lastly, 0. This 0 starts with Z. So Z is used for 0. In this way, this will help you to remember these digits. Now, when we say it is a phonetic code on one hand, and we are taking two different letters here, T and D for one I have taken. But friends, you see, when you pronounce T or D, you will get a similar movement of the lips or tongue like that. I will give you some words for that so that my point is more clear. So you try to pronounce this word tide and died. Tide, died. See, your tongue will be at the same place. So, pronunciation of T and D, that will make the tongue movement in the same way. Same thing is about this J, S, H and CH. Now, I will suggest some words for that. Just try to pronounce jail and shale. Jail, shale. A similar movement of the tongue, or tongue will touch at a particular point. So similar. And then again I will give one shock. Chalk. When I say sound of CH, here is the sound of CH, chalk, shock, chalk. Just try to pronounce and you will come to know that they have same type of phonetic expression. One more thing I will suggest between J and CH, say that word is jest and chest. Try to pronounce this word, jest, chest. So tongue will be at the same place for both these words. So that's why we are taking these three different letters, and this also provides flexibility in converting numbers to text. Then let us come to 7. Two letters K and G. Just pronounce coal and goal. Coal, goal. See the mouth movement, shape of the mouth, that will be same. Coal, goal. Correct? Or came, game. Now you will ask definitely one question here. Here I am saying K and here I am using C. But that's why I told you, friends, it is the sound of that letter. Here C sounds as K, coal. So it is the sound of K. So that is important in this code. We have to concentrate on the pronunciation, on the sound. So here C is pronounced as K. So it is coal. Its sound is like K. So that is that can be used here. Then let us go to F and V. I will suggest one word for that, fat and vat. Just try to pronounce these two words, fat, vat, fat, fat, vat. like that. So similar movement of the lip is there. Few, view. See this, huh? Few, view. So like that. Or wide, wide. See this word, huh? Wide, wide, wide. Wide is actually a world organization in chess. Wide, 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 like that. So my point is, when we pronounce these words, we have a similar movement of our lip or similar movement of the tongue. Okay. So that is why these different types of letters are used for some digits, not for all digits. Then let us go. This point is clear, and I hope it will not take more than 10 to 15 minutes for you to remember this association. And once you remember these things, then it is very easy to convert digits into text. Friends, it is very difficult to remember digits. I have told you in the last lecture also. We know mobile numbers of very few friends, or mostly we know mobile number of ourselves and then not of anyone else, because 10 numbers are very difficult to remember. So if we learn these associations, then it will be very easy for us to freely convert numbers into text. I will tell you now how this is done. So let us take first 1. I have just told here what letters or what sound of what letters are used. But now actually what word can be considered for 1? Friends, there are many choices. For 1 you can use do, like this. T or D. T sound is and D sound is also they are available for 1. And vowels you can use freely. So this 1 can be converted into to do like that. Means for 1 number you will have different text. That is the flexibility of this method. Not only these two, I can use one more word, tie or die, and in fact so many other words can be used for 1, 2. These two can also be used. So there is a flexibility of conversion. That is the best advantage of this method. For 2, I can use no, or say, just see this word. This is interesting. There is K, there is N, there is W also. See, W is not in this list. So W can be used freely anywhere. Or say now. Now has only one sound from this list, that is N sound. W is not in the list. O is a vowel. Vowels can be used freely. I was telling about this word no. There is K and N. K is actually for 7, N is for 2, but this is not 72. Note this. Why? See the sound. I am tracing you on this sound. What is the sound? It is no. There is no sound of K. So this will convert into 2 only, and W can be used freely. So actual conversion or equivalent of 2 is no, or equivalent of no is 2. So there are many choices. See this word knee. That is also N sound only. So that can be used here for 2. Then for 3, We can again use different words, ma, me, my, and so many other words can be done. For 4, you say raw, row, like that. W can be used freely. So, and vowels also can be used freely. Even ray, see this word, ray. That is a good word that can be made for 4. For 5, low, law, all. Now see this word, all. L is repeated here. But sound of L is not repeated. Sound of L is once only, all. We don't say all like that. We just call it all. Means L is only once there. So all will also get translated to 5. Then the remaining words we will see in just a short time. For 6, we can use show, like that. Jaw, for 6 we can use J also. So that word can also be done. Shoe, that is another word which can be make for 6. Then for 7, key, go, K use, or G can also be used, and so on. Then guy is another word which can be used, or gay, like that. Then for 8, we use F or V. So that will give us the words like this: P, or view, even off. See, off also can be used for 8. Then for 9, we can use P or B. So by, pi, S. And then again you can use this by also, or this by also, and so many other things can be used. B or pay. So you see there is many more choices in this code. You can freely convert numbers to text. Now this is about single digits. Now we go to sequence of digits. I will give you a large number now. So let us consider 32. For 3 we use M, for 2 we use N. So the words which can be constructed, man, main, like that. Mean. See, again there is a vast choice. We can use any of these words. Another, I will give you 75. For 7 we can use K or G, and for 5 we will be using L. So this can get translate into kill, coal, even goal, and so many other words. So you are free to convert them into different words. I will now tell you one, I will give a large number now, 4-digit number. If possible, that can be converted into one single word, or if not, you can use more than one word. I will convert it like this, N and J. So that gives us enjoy. and 81 that can be converted to fight. See the pronunciation. Fight. Only two sounds are there, F and T. Fight. G is there, H is there. These pronunciations are not there. So this G will not get converted into 7 because it has been used in the spelling. But ultimate sound, ultimate pronunciation is fight, means only F and T sounds are there, and that's why fight gets converted into 81, or for 81 we can use this word fight. Okay, this is from numbers to text. Interesting thing is that when we convert numbers to text, we have different choices. But the reverse is not true. When we convert text to number, there is single and single choice only. I will tell you an example. Say this word catch. There is K sound. This C sound says K, catch, and second sound is CH sound. Only one conversion, and that is 76. K 7 and CH sound converts into 6. So this is a very interesting part of this text phonetic code, that while converting text to number, there is only single choice. But when we convert digits or numbers to text, we have different choices. We can freely use different words so that we get meaningful story. I would like to tell you this word. Why? Because here there is G, but that will not get converted into 7. Note this. Because what is the pronunciation? See, this G is pronounced as J, ginger. Actually we pronounce it as ginger, like this. This is the pronunciation. So there is a sound of J, not G. So what will be the conversion of ginger? That is in fact 6, then N will be converted into 2. This again pronounced as J, so 6 and R. This is the conversion of ginger, 6 to 6 4. This is very important thing to understand, otherwise you will get confused while conversion and you will miss some digits, or you will wrongly put another digits there. Okay, so this is what is known as phonetic code. Just last I will tell you one number, and I would like you to convert it into I will give you some text and try to convert it into number, or I will give you some number. Say one number, phone number of my friend, it is there, 9493 904624. This is the phone number, 10 digits. It is very difficult to remember phone numbers. I have already told you. Better way is to convert it into text. So convert this number to text, and I would convert it in this way. 94. This is beer by my 90 bus. R and 6, you can call it reach. Then 2 and 4, N and R near. Okay, this is the conversion to text. If you remember this text, it is easy to remember text, friends. So just if I want to remember this mobile number, I will remember this text. Beer by my bus, reach near. Then it will be easy for me to recall this number, because conversion of numbers to text and the reverse conversion, that I know how to do, and you can also learn it easily. Lastly, I will give you my mobile number, but I will give you in the form of text. and it is you who will convert it into numbers. So my mobile number, friends, is like this. Note it and get it converted into number. This is the text for my mobile number. You try to convert it into number, and if you can do that, write your comment on the WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Here we will stop. In the next part, we will go for actual text for pi. So keep watching, subscribe, press bell button so that you will get the updates regularly. Thank you very much.